What's up? Welcome back, everybody. This is probably the easiest, cheatiest thing I've ever done on my channel. Um, we call these shin kickers. That's not what they're called, but we're a family-friendly show here, so that's what we're calling them. Starting off by just mixing up some brownie mix out of the box, exactly like the box says to do it. Once you get your batter mixed up, we're going to set this to the side and grab yourself a 9 by 13 greased pan and then open up a tube of chocolate chip cookie dough. And we're just going to press this all the way down into all the corners relatively flat. You know, you're probably going to wind up with somewhere less than a ½ inch thick cookie dough across the bottom. And then we're going to grab Reese's cups and put them relatively neatly all along this. And the reason why is it's going to make it a lot easier to cut later on down the road. But at any rate, when you get all these laid in here, we're just going to take that brownie batter and then pour over all of this. And then we're going to pop these into a 350-degree oven for about 35 minutes. You're going to want to pull these before they get just completely dried out, because who in the world wants dried out brownies? But at any rate, don't cut them right now because it's going to be too hot. So let them cool off for a little bit. Maybe stick them in the fridge. These are significantly easier to cut when they are cooled down because the hot brownie and cookie doesn't stick to the knife. And you'll also notice how much easier it is to cut them where the Reese's cups were if you took just that little bit of time to organize how you laid out your Reese's cups. Very easy, very delicious, very addicting. Do be prepared to have to make this every time you go anywhere, if you ever take it anywhere, because it will be highly requested. Hit those like, share, and subscribe buttons and let me know what you think about this down in the comments. Thanks for watching.